So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add emojis inside of a cell here on Google Sheets. So once your document's opened up, just go ahead and select a cell. So in this case, I will just use C3. If you want to open up emojis on your Mac, go ahead and press Control, then press Command at the same time, and then press the space bar. What this will do now is open up the emoji keyboard. So if you were to go ahead and type in the laughy face right here, you can go to another cell, go to Control Command Space. You can do the heart. If you want to go ahead, Control Command Space, do the heart right there. You can do that. Make sure you press it. You can go Control Command Space. You can also search emojis too, so you can go dog emoji just like that. Throw the dog in there, and basically you can keep adding emojis this way just by bringing up the emoji keyboard. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add emojis inside of cells here on Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.